Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chapstick is probably one of the most sought-after items, especially during harsh winter months or in dry climates. Finding the perfect lip balm can be a game-changer, transforming uncomfortable, chapped lips into soft, smooth, and healthy ones. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best chapstick for your needs? In this video, we'll explore the top contenders, examining their ingredients, textures, and overall effectiveness to help you find the ultimate solution for dry, cracked lips. Number 5. Aquaphor Lip Repair. It's the #1 dermatologist-recommended lip care brand. Experience the clinically proven relief and soothing benefits for dry, chapped lips. This lip repair ointment is clinically proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped, cracked lips. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to healthy-looking lips. It's formulated without fragrance or parabens. This gentle formula helps prevent dryness and provides long-lasting moisture. It's enriched with nourishing vitamins, shea butter, and soothing chamomile essence. These ingredients work together to help heal and protect your lips. Experience long-lasting moisture and relief with this lip balm. It's the perfect solution for dry, chapped lips. This pack includes one 0.35-ounce tube of Aquaphor Lip Repair ointment. It's the perfect size for your purse or pocket. What we like? It's clinically proven to relieve dryness and is recommended by dermatologists. This balm provides long-lasting moisture, perfect for those with chronically dry lips. If you have sensitive skin and need a reliable, effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It's unscented and it feels super rich and smooth on my lips. It feels luxurious. The ingredients are clean and healthy, which makes me feel comfortable putting this on my lips. It doesn't have a scent or a taste, which is a plus too. It leaves my lips feeling soft and they never feel dry or cracked. I put it on before going to bed, and my lips stay moistened a very long time. This balm works really well improving very dry, irritated lips, and just like other Aquaphor products I've tried, it's very non-reactive and causes no skin irritation. Number 4. Cliganic Organic Lip Balm Set. Experience the ultimate lip care with our 6 delicious flavors. It's perfect for keeping your lips hydrated and healthy all day long. Indulge in the delightful tastes of mint burst, citrus, beeswax, eucalyptus mint, vanilla, and coconut. Each flavor offers a unique and refreshing experience. Its convenient size makes it perfect for your pocket or purse. Take it with you wherever you go for on-the-go lip care. Made with natural ingredients and proudly USDA organic certified, it nourishes and protects your lips without harsh chemicals. It's paraben-free, phthalate-free, and petrochemical-free. We're proud to say it's certified cruelty-free and made right here in the USA. Enjoy the quality and peace of mind that comes with our commitment to ethical practices. Say goodbye to dry, cracked lips. It hydrates, nourishes, and protects, leaving your lips feeling healthy and soft all day long. What we like? This set offers a variety of delicious flavors to suit your mood. It's made with certified organic ingredients, ensuring quality and purity. If you are looking for a natural and flavorful lip balm experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? They go on smooth, smell great, moisturize wonderfully, and aren't greasy or gunky on the lips. Crafted from 100% natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil, these balms effectively hydrate and protect lips without the need for constant reapplication. They're also enriched with vitamin E and free from parabens, phthalates, and petrochemicals, making them a safe choice for daily use. The lip balms are made with 100% natural ingredients, and it really shows. They go on smooth and feel nourishing, not greasy. My lips have never felt softer or more moisturized, even during dry winter months. Number 3. Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick, 2-pack. It's the #1 dermatologist-recommended lip care brand. Experience the clinically proven relief and soothing benefits for your lips. This lip balm is clinically proven to relieve dryness and soothe those chapped, cracked lips. It's the perfect solution for comfortable, healthy lips. It's formulated with a special blend of nourishing vitamins, moisturizers, shea butter, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and protect your lips. It's fragrance-free and paraben-free, making it gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Enjoy long-lasting moisture without any harsh irritants. This pack includes two 0.17-ounce sticks, providing you with plenty of lip balm to keep your lips healthy and hydrated. It's the perfect solution for everyday use. What we like. It's the #1 dermatologist-recommended brand, offering a convenient stick application. This balm effectively relieves dryness and is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you value convenience and dermatologist-approved quality, this is a great option for you. What people say. This lip balm is incredibly moisturizing and does an excellent job of keeping my lips soft and hydrated. It has a rich, thick formula that isn't greasy, but it locks in moisture for hours. I don't need to reapply it constantly, which is a huge plus. The texture is smooth and soothing, gliding easily over my lips without feeling sticky or heavy. It has a non-waxy feel, which I really appreciate. It absorbs quickly and leaves my lips feeling nourished without any residue. Aquaphor is known for its healing properties, and this lip repair stick lives up to the brand's reputation. It works wonders on cracked or irritated lips, providing immediate relief and helping to heal them faster. Whether I'm dealing with winter dryness or a bit of sunburn, it soothes and repairs quickly. Number 2. Naturistick Premium Beeswax Lip Balm. Experience the luxury of 100% natural lip care. It's made with beeswax, shea butter, and other natural ingredients to keep your lips soft and healthy. Enjoy 5 light and refreshing scents: vanilla, peppermint, mango, pomegranate, and green tea. Each tube is a perfect size for your purse or pocket. It's completely free of petrolatum, harsh chemicals, gluten, parabens, and GMOs. It's safe and nourishing for even the most sensitive lips. This balm glides on effortlessly, providing intense moisturization without any sticky or waxy residue. You'll love how smooth it feels. It's never tested on animals and comes in sustainable packaging. It's a better choice for you and the planet. Keep your lips soft and protected all year round, no matter the season. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. It offers a variety of light and refreshing flavors. It's made with 100% natural ingredients and glides on smoothly. If you prefer a natural, smooth, and subtly flavored lip balm, this is a great choice. What people say. This balm is so moisturizing and soothing without being slippery or tacky. It just feels so good on my mouth. Beeswax is one of the best moisturizers for chapped skin, and I have dry lips, so I appreciate how well it works for me. The balms all have a pleasing scent and flavor profile. They glide on smooth, are relatively long-lasting, and most importantly they moisturize. They are the most hydrating and nourishing thing for my lips, seriously. The consistency is perfect, it's creamy, smooth, feels really good on the lips, not drying at all. Number 1. Naturistick Premium Beeswax Lip Balm. Experience the luxury of 100% natural lip care. It's made with beeswax, shea butter, and other natural ingredients to keep your lips soft and healthy. Enjoy 4 light and refreshing scents: vanilla, peppermint, pomegranate, and green tea. Each tube is a perfect size for your purse or pocket. It's completely free of petrolatum, harsh chemicals, gluten, parabens, and GMOs. It's safe and nourishing for even the most sensitive lips. Its unique formula glides on effortlessly, providing deep moisturization without any stickiness or waxiness. You'll love how it feels. It's never tested on animals and comes in sustainable packaging. It's a better choice for you and the planet. Keep your lips soft and protected all year round, no matter the season. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. It comes in a variety of flavors and provides long-lasting moisture. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle and effective formula. If you want a wide range of flavors and long-lasting hydration from natural ingredients, this is for you. What people say. This balm is so moisturizing and soothing without being slippery or tacky. It just feels so good on my mouth. Beeswax is one of the best moisturizers for chapped skin, and I have dry lips, so I appreciate how well it works for me. The balms all have a pleasing scent and flavor profile. They glide on smooth, are relatively long-lasting, and most importantly they moisturize. They are the most hydrating and nourishing thing for my lips, seriously. The consistency is perfect, it's creamy, smooth, feels really good on the lips, not drying at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.